Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Mastermind, where we break down crypto and blockchain in a way anyone can understand. Today, I'll guide you through how to start investing in cryptocurrency, step by step, even if you've never done it before. Let's jump right in. Before you invest, you need to know what you're getting into. What is cryptocurrency? It's digital money secured by cryptography. What is blockchain? It's the tech behind crypto that ensures everything is secure and transparent. Learn the difference between coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and tokens on other blockchains. A few hours of research now can save you a lot of money later. To buy crypto, you need to use a crypto exchange. Beginner-friendly platforms: Binance, Coinbase, Kraken. Make sure the exchange is available and legal in your country. Check for low fees, a user-friendly interface, and strong security features. Set up your account, verify your identity, and you're ready to go. Once you buy crypto, you need a safe place to store it. Exchanges offer wallets, but for better control, use your own wallet. Hot wallets like MetaMask are connected to the internet, easy but less secure. Cold wallets like Ledger or Trezor are physical devices, very secure. Never share your private keys or seed phrases, ever. Don't go all in on day one. Start with an amount you can afford to lose, maybe $50 to $100. Begin with trusted coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Avoid trending coins unless you've done serious research. Invest slowly, learn how the market moves. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different projects. Use tools like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, or Blockfolio to track your portfolio. Monitor performance weekly, and don't panic during dips. Remember, crypto is volatile. Think long-term. The crypto world moves fast. Stay updated. Follow trusted creators on YouTube, Twitter, Reddit. Subscribe to crypto newsletters like CoinDesk or The Defiant. Learn about DeFi, NFTs, staking, Web3, and more. Knowledge is your most powerful crypto tool. That's it, your step-by-step beginner guide to starting with crypto. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Drop a comment with your questions. I'm here to help.